Alright, it's almost 4:30 in the morning. I'm waiting for my good friend Izzy to finish loading all his stuff in right there. We were supposed to get a van, but we're gonna, that didn't work out, so we'll have to drive our own cars, which is fine. I think it's fine. We're just gonna try to figure out how to fit everything in. But yeah, as soon as he's in, I'm gonna start waking everybody up to start getting ready. And then we're gonna hit the road. So, like, go. Yeah, okay. Let's fix this. Okay, everybody is loaded into the car. I'm packing up the last bag. And let's go hit the road.
What up? We're getting gas on our way to Zion. It's roughly a 6-hour drive. We've got entertainment in the back.
I'm tired.
We made it to Vegas.
We're in Nevada. And it's our first pee break. I will say that. I'm
That's
very
pretty good.
proud.
I'm proud of your bladder.
My little bladder. I know. I already spilled something on my shirt. We're halfway there.
Yeah, I would say halfway there. We've got like 3 more hours, maybe 2.5.
And 2 more pee breaks.
No more pee breaks.
It's currently over 100 degrees. We just left the grocery store. And now we are packing our coolies. All right, we made it to our campsite. There's baby cakes offloading. There's other cakes over there offloading. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, it's like really hot out here. Like really, really hot. Like the sun actually hurts my skin. I don't know what to do. Oh, look at the little deer. It's just hanging out at our side.
All right, so we finally got half of our tent up. Look at the beauty. It only took us, I don't know, 30 minutes. And now we're gonna stake it down. Eden's looking for steaks. Did we find the steaks, baby?
What you got there?
I found our hammer.
Found our steaks. Just finally set up camp.
We're so tired.
And sweaty and disgusting and all the above. But we're so proud of ourselves because we did it and
It's
we
your
survived.
first trip. And look at how badass she did. Look at that.
We're gonna give you a Cribs MTV tent tour.
All right, so this is our tent. I'm actually very proud of us because Eden has never built a tent before, and I think I've built one maybe once or twice with a lot of help. So this was a struggle, but we survived. And I'll show you. That's where we're keeping our sunglasses.
Cute little pockets over here.
We've got,
And then we help you out. And then we just take a little step back. It's actually really spacious so you can stand up fully. I'm 5'5", so I'm like just a little bit of a ducking, but it's really, I love spacious. She got us a little pillow, a full tent.
Eden didn't want her own sleeping bag, so we got a double.
Yeah, this is actually a double sleeping bag.
Cool. I've never had a double, but I feel like if you're attached like we are, this makes a lot of sense.
Yeah, it's actually really cute. We've got a little bit of everything.
Blanket for later, and you can't forget all the gay stuff.
And I feel like it's pretty spacious. I mean, I don't have anything to compare it to, but it feels pretty cozy. What do you think?
We can fit. Yeah, it feels great.
Yeah.
Day one.
Day one. At least surviving. All right, now it's time for the actual tour of the space. So let me go flip this camera around. Okay, this is our table setup. So we'll be doing most of our dining in this space. This is the boys' tent. Theirs is actually pretty large. It's big enough to fit like 2 different rooms in there. And we've got once we're sleeping. Oh, look, hi, Izzy. Ew. Dork. These are our beautiful new Yetis that we got, and then obviously our great friend Ernie came prepared and brought the Mega Yeti, or the Mega OtterBox. And let's see, we got a dishwasher, we've got a stove, We've got everything for s'mores, dishes, all the above. We've got the beauties. Hello, everyone. I know, right? You guys look so situated. I love it. And then we have a fire.
Shuttles are free.
Yeah, got it. That is so
Which is great because I wasn't sure.
The first one's at 6.
First one's at 6 a.m. The last one's at 6:15. If we miss the 6:15, it is an 8-mile walk back.
How long in between?
There's no service.
How long do they come
And
around?
there's no Ubers.
No, that's not.
Okay, so the plan is we now found out that we have to wake up at 4 a.m. Babe, what time are we waking up?
4 a.m. We're waking up at 4 a.m. so I can cook everyone breakfast because we all need to eat. And then after that, we will get dressed and we will be at the bus stop by 6 a.m.
Ooh, and right now we are gonna figure out what our clothes are gonna be for tomorrow. So we just basically zombie wake up, change, brush your teeth, get ready, eat breakfast really quickly, and then head to the bus stop. Yes, ma'am. So what are we wearing? Cute. Love it. Thank you, babe.
You're welcome.
What are you gonna wear?
I'm gonna wear this one, which is like a nude color set it up to you.
That is gonna be so cute. All right, where did my wife go? Hi.
Just found the treasure.
Oh yeah, our pantry trunk. I don't know, I feel like this is kind of an amazing hack. You want to lock your food safe and away.
Keep it all in your trunk, baby.
Keep it in the car, but yo.
Pantry, the pantry of all pantries. Who needs a grocery store? We got everything.
We came stocked. I'm gonna grab these right now. I'm not gonna lie. Yes. Thank you, baby.
Roomies all over again. Alright, we're gonna shotgun.
There's a lot happening.
What got us through 2020? Cooking.
Who's winning? Can suck better.
Oh look, they're twins.
Oh.
I call that a tie.
Show me the goods, babe.
So this is a chili cheese dog with avocado.
So this water, big giant.
It's like ready to go. Look at yours. It's all avocado. It's
Why is it tap water?
Literally all avocado. Is everybody ready for the hike today?
Sure, lady.
You're a lady.
So we've reached the start of the Narrows. We're going that one.
Which means we need water shoes. She goes.
Yeah, I didn't think about that.
The sexy hiker. Ciao!
No.
Thick'em.
Like Tatiana.
What was that? Oh shit.
Go.
We almost, that was so scary. I didn't know rocks can just like decide. Yeah.
Hi. So we're about a mile into our hike. We have
Only a mile.
3 more to go.
Oh my gosh. And our groins are shot.
My groins are one side.
My wrist is shot. I dropped baby cakes in the water by accident. And we're trying to get through. It's super rocky. And we're back, and let me take you over to see what's cooking up for dinner over here. We got drinks already currently set up by the boys, and Jay is on sauteing duty. What are you making?
I'm making a mushrooms for you.
And then we got Ernie on patty duty.
Yeah, it's about to make the burgers right now.
Alright, so I'm on veggie topping duty, so I'm just gonna do some stuff and start chopping up some tomatoes. Only 3 of us like tomatoes. I'm a big veggie person. I like tomatoes, lettuce, mushrooms on my burgers because it tastes delicious. Jay is only meat and cheese. It's obviously why she stays so skinny. She never eats any veggies, just FYI. But I'm gonna cut these. Put you guys right there. Obviously, clearly cropped up. But I'll try to come down here. Yum, babe. Thank you. Cheers to surviving in the wild. Let's do this. Oh, so excited.
All right, it's day 3, and we finally got up to make a proper breakfast. Chef Ernie this morning is on
Morning.
the grill.
Morning.
It's on the grill. What are we making today?
Some chilaquiles.
Ooh, check this out. We got fresh chips. Oh yes.
It's going.
And we should have breakfast in about 10 minutes. Yeah, I was thinking the same thing.
10 minutes.
Cool. Now we're extra cute. Look at this. We washed our faces, brushed our teeth. Now it's time to go have breakfast. Hi. Show me the goods. Ooh.
So now,
These
bit of
handmade
mushrooms.
chips. Mushrooms.
Good morning. As everybody's making breakfast, I'm gonna start getting ready and like trying to do something with this hair because she is crazy. She is dry shampooed and not as clean as I would like her to be, but we're gonna do our best to try to do something with this. So.
Over there.
Alright, she is ready. The wife is ready. We're gonna go pack up and go to our first hike. We're a bit behind schedule, but we're just honestly gonna take today one step at a time and just kind of go with it. Not stick to a very strict itinerary, but let's go see some more nature. I'm excited to see where this hike is. But first, let me go find my wife. There's my beautiful wife.
We're heading to Observation Point, which is a 4-hour hike to get the best views in Zion.
Ooh, how far is the drive?
We have to drive an hour out,
Okay.
but I think it's worth the views. I could be wrong, but I think it's worth the views.
We'll see. We'll see. I'm pretty sure it'll be good. It'll be great. I love you.
I love you too.
All right, let's get going.
Let's do it. Observation Point is the most prettiest point next to you.
Check it out. That's well worth the hike. What would you say? This one better or less better than Angel's Landing?
This is 1,000% better than Angel's Landing. It's not as scary. It's not as like narrow, and the view is way better.
Alright, we're heading back.
We are heading back. This trail is no joke. It's all incline, which we didn't realize as we were going down.
Going down. What goes down must come back up in this case. But we're gonna get through it. The view was completely worth it. I wouldn't trade it for the world. I will say it's just exhausting to go back. If we could do this differently next time, definitely come earlier.
Yeah.
definitely we came a little too late. Had we come at like 6 or 7 a.m., we would have beat the heat. Great. And we're back at the campsite. Baby Cake's got me this sweater. Official Zion swag. It's giving Princess Diana.
That was so good.
Okay, go.
Oh my god!
90s.
Okay.
5 girl group.
90s.
And that was the most popular one. Yes.
Wait, what'd you say?
So last night at Zion, we're really bummed that we're leaving.
So bummed.
But we're waking up at 7 a.m. because we have one more stop before we head back to California.
Yeah. Babe has one more adventure up her sleeve per usual.
Yeah.
I'm excited. It's gonna be fun. And then we get to go home and shower.
We haven't showered in like 4 days. So stinky. It's disgusting. We're gonna show your mess.
We made a mess.
It's nighttime. I'm going to sleep.
Okay, good night, good night.
Bye.
It's our last day, and it officially started raining as we had to pack up the tent. How you hanging in there?
Almost got it.
We're almost done. We did it. We survived. We did it all. Beautiful view, and it's really nice to see it rain. All right, it's really coming down. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I can see clearly now the rain. We made it. How are we all matching too, though?
Because we're amazing. We have to call each other. We just know.
We just know. We didn't plan this coordination.
Baby.
But look where Jay took us. Let me turn this. It's so beautiful.